Gone are the days of grand entrances. You know, when the trumpeter would give a great flourish, do 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 do, and then in would come the king or the queen or the prince or the princess into the banquet hall or wherever for the grand ceremony. Well, most of us don't enter rooms with a grand entrance, but we could at least enter with a good one. Now, I tell my students at Foundations of Communication, before they even enter a room, they need to learn to read a room. And there are all sorts of social cues that they need to collect ahead of time and nuances that they need to consider. But in this little 2 cents, we're going to just discuss entering the room. So here's how we can do it best. At the door frame, reframe. Here's what I mean. First of all, consider your frame of mind. Before you go through that threshold, do you have the right frame of mind, the right attitude? Adjust your attitude if you need to. Get rid of stinking thinking and have the right sort of thoughts. Then you need to reframe your body. Use the best posture. Here's what I recommend. Keep the head erect, the chin level with the floor, ears over the shoulders, and then consider entering, but lead with what I call your heart, not your head. So come in with that head up so that you are visible and you can see everybody else. That way you are noticing them and you are easily noticed when you lead with that heart and not with your head tilted downward. So again, it doesn't have to be a grand entrance, but it should be a good one. So reframe at the door frame. There you go. Those are my 2 cents in these 2 minutes. If this was valuable to you, please share it with one other person.